Okay, welcome back, folks. This is part of our revision program for our 11 plus students. So we've got two topics here on the screen at the same time. Okay, so don't get worried about that. Here comes our first topic. Let me just change color here to red. So the first topic is, what is the ratio of A to B? That's a question that we've been encountering on our CEM papers. So we can look at that. And we're going to make life as easy as possible. The first number is 6. And the second number is 10 for the first question. So we have to express 6 as a ratio of, no, so we got two numbers, 6 and 10. Okay? So here we go. There we go. There we go. Now, A as a ratio to B, yeah? Here we go. So we got 6, 2 dots, and 10. Now what we need to do, we need to divide by the highest common factor. So the biggest number that will divide into, which is 2. So divide that by 2, divide that by 2. So 6 divided by 2 will give us, and 10 divided by 2 will give us. So that's the question that you can do. You need to show your working out. Please show your working out. The next one is 8 and 20. That's 20, by the way. It's not 26. So now 8 and ratio 20. So the highest common factor here is 4. So that will give us what? Okay, 2, 5. The next one we have 20 and 14. And the highest common factor Alishba is, Alishba only, quiet. Alishba, what's the highest common factor for 20 and 14? Quiet, don't tell her.
10.
Well done. So that will give us 20 divided by 2 is 10 and 7. Lovely. Right. Can you finish up the rest of those questions on down that column, first of all? Those questions. Can you finish up to number 10? I'm going to stop here. Actually, I might just do one more. So we have... Okay, yes, I heard that some time ago. So 15 and 45, we express them 2 as a ratio. We divided by the highest common factor. So that will give us 1, 3, for example. Number 4 is done.
5.
Divided by 15, not by 5. Yeah, that's the highest common factor. Okay, I'm going to pause the video here a second. Okay, the next part says increase. Okay, this is the next exercise that we're doing now. Increase 24 by 1/3. It's on the same page, folks, so sorry about that. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, if we increase 24 by 1/3, we've got to work out 1/3 of 24, which is 24 divided by 3, which is equal to
8.
So we have to do 24, and then we add the 8, and that will give us an answer of
32.
Well done. Remember, to work out 1/3, we divide by 3 and time by 1. Divide by the bottom number and time by the top number. Lovely. Okay, right. So let's have a look at question 4 now. We have to increase 18 by 2/3. So we're going to work out, first of all, 2/3 of 18. So we do 18 divided by 3 and time by 2. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 times by 2 is 12. So we have to add another 12 onto the 18. So that will give us what? 30. Well done. So the answer is 30. So that's showing you some technique for how to the question. Let's do one more with you. So number 5, increase 30 by 2/5. So can we do the same as increase and decrease? Would it be the same method?
Yeah.
Exactly the same method, but just minus instead. Okay. Should we do number 5 as a decrease? As I show you how we do decrease, yeah? So number 5, we're going to change the wording, and we're going to decrease 30 by 2/5. So let's have a look how we would do that question. So first of all, 2/5 of 30 is equal to what? 30 divided by the bottom number times by the top number. The bottom number is 5. Are you copying this down? And the top number is 2. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 times by 2 is 12. So we have to do now 30 minus 12. Remember, I said decrease this particular question. 30 minus 12 will give us an answer of?
18.
Well done. So if it's a decrease, we just have to minus instead of adding. Here we were adding and other questions. Right. What would like you to do now that you got the idea of this question?
Finish them off.
Finish up the rest of the exercise. Okay, I'll give you a few minutes. I'm gonna stop this video now.
Done, sir.
Get ready for the next video.
I